Hello friends, welcome back. This is astrologer Shweta and I'll be giving you the prediction of the week starting from 19 August to 25th August 2013. Prediction for Aries. Aries are very high spirited this week. Their aims and motives are getting higher and higher, so their willpower too. But their health has some issues. Their finances are going great and money is coming in your way. Your lucky number will be 1 and your lucky color is orange and green. Prediction for Taurus. There's a love relationship you're more focused on, but be careful that it may get you hurt in the end. You may get betrayed too, so keep your eyes and ears open. Your finances are good and your relationships are going great. Be careful as you are more prone to the accident in the weekends. Your lucky color is orange and your lucky number will be 3 and 5. Prediction for Geminis. Gemini is lucky this week as Mars and Jupiter are sitting in your side. Jupiter is the planet of development as it is helping you to develop in every part of your life, be it relationship, health or career. So enjoy this week. Your lucky number will be 5 and your lucky color is black and orange. Prediction for Cancer. Cancerians are using their intelligence and smartness to develop in their life. They are going ahead towards the success, but they are stuck somewhere in between because of some love relationships. But this relationship is worth wasting a time. Your health will be great, but finances may suffer in the weekends, so please take care of that. Your lucky number is 3 and your lucky color will be white and orange. Prediction for Leo. Leos are the most strongest this week as the owner of the house, the sun, has entered in his own house, Leo. They are going great financially, especially. Money is coming in their pockets very fast and their relationships are making the history in their life. And as far as the health is concerned, it's going good, but in the weekends you may feel some kind of irritation in your head, so please take care of that. Your lucky number is 5 and your lucky color will be red. Prediction for Virgo. Virgos are more concerned about their new love relationship in their life. They're putting their whole energy into this love relationship to be worked out. But this relationship will not last long, so please be careful. The finances are great, but as far as your health is concerned, it may get breakdown in the weekends. You may feel some irritation in your knees, so please take care of that. Your lucky number is 7 and your lucky color will be yellow and green. Prediction for Libra. It's a great week for you to invest in real estate and in automobile. You are much closer to your family, so please spend some good time with your mother. As far as your finance is concerned, it's going to be some issues in the weekend, so please take care of that, and your health is going to be great this week. So enjoy this week. Your lucky number will be 7 and your lucky color will be orange and green. Prediction for Scorpio. Scorpions are looking ahead towards their career and want to grow in the same field, but they are more focused on the blockages rather than focusing on the solutions. Please be positive, people. Right attitude is the key to the success. So focus on solutions. Your career will give you a king size life if you are being positive. Your lucky color will be white and your lucky number will be 8 and 7. Prediction for Sagittarius. You're losing your power day by day as the circumstances around you are being more complex. Please be careful as you're more prone to the accident this week. Your health is not so good this week, so please take care of that. But you're good in your finances and money is coming in your pocket. So enjoy this week. Your lucky number will be 8 and 9 and your lucky color will be pink and white. Prediction for Capricorn. There are chances that you will meet new people this week, preferably males. You will be more closer to your family and you will be getting new opportunities to help them and keep them happy. There are chances that you will meet an accident this week, so please take care of that, and your finances are going great and money is coming in your pocket. Enjoy this weekend. Your lucky color will be white and green and your lucky number will be 1 and 4. Prediction for Aquarius. There are some ups and downs are going in your career, but you can tackle them very smartly and intelligently as the luck is with you. Your enemies and rivals are strong this week, so please do not take them for granted. Act wisely and stay cool. Your lucky number will be 1 and 4 and your lucky color will be black and red. Prediction for Pisces. Pisces are completely satisfied in their life. They are working towards their career and they are more focused towards their life. Health-wise, they are doing good. Money is coming in your pocket. But as far as your relationship is concerned, there are some issues are going. So please take care of them. Your lucky color will be white and your lucky number will be 1 and 3. Thank you.